Want to elevate your home with style and effortless glow? These luxury Amazon lights and fixtures instantly transform any space with elegance and modern charm. From sleek chandeliers to ambient lamps, they brighten your rooms while making a statement. All products are linked in the description below. Step into a home that's softly lit, not blinding. This plug-in LED nightlight gives off a gentle, warm glow that's easy on your eyes. You can dim it from super soft to brighter, depending on your mood or need. With a smart light sensor, it automatically turns on at night and off during the day. Perfect for bedrooms, hallways, bathrooms, or kitchens. It keeps kids and adults safe without harsh glare. Bring a touch of luxury to any room without lifting a finger. This modern crystal chandelier dazzles with sparkling K9 crystals and a sleek gold frame that catches and reflects light beautifully. You can adjust the height to fit your ceiling perfectly, and the dimmable feature lets you set warm, neutral, or cool lighting for every mood. Pre-connected crystal strands make assembly quick and simple. No fumbling with tiny pieces. Perfect for dining rooms, living areas, entryways, or even bedrooms, it instantly turns your space into a statement. Step into safety without lifting a finger. These LED stair lights turn on automatically the moment you approach, guiding your way with a warm, soft glow. You can adjust brightness, step count, and timing to fit your stairs perfectly. The flexible, cuttable strip installs easily with strong adhesive, no tools or expertise needed. Ideal for hallways, staircases, or corridors, they keep you safe while adding a sleek, modern touch to your home. Your home's first impression starts with the right light. These modern outdoor wall sconces cast a warm glow that feels welcoming without being harsh. The integrated LED shines through frosted glass, spreading soft, even light while lasting for years with minimal energy use. Built with weather-resistant metal, they stay sleek and rust-free through rain and heat. Install them by the door, garage, or patio, and instantly upgrade your exterior style. Lighting can turn an ordinary room into pure drama. This striking crystal chandelier features 7 glowing rings that create a bold, floating centerpiece from every angle. Cool white LED light fills large spaces with bright modern clarity while using less energy and lasting for years without bulb changes. Adjustable cables let you shape the rings into spirals or cascading layers to match your style. Perfect for foyers, staircases, or living rooms that deserve a true showpiece. Great lighting makes everyday routines feel a little more polished. This modern 3-light vanity fixture brings clean style and bright clarity to your mirror or wall. Clear glass shades spread light evenly, helping you see details without harsh shadows. The sturdy metal frame resists scratches and wear, keeping its sleek look over time. Mount it facing up or down to match your space and instantly refresh the room's atmosphere. Some lamps simply light a room. This one creates a mood. This elegant floor lamp features branching globes that glow with soft, warm light, adding instant character to living rooms, bedrooms, or offices. The tall sculptural design doubles as decor, while included LED bulbs keep energy use low and brightness gentle on the eyes. A sturdy marble base keeps everything balanced, and the foot switch lets you tap it on or off effortlessly. Why choose between a chandelier and a ceiling fan when you can have both? This sleek Fandelier blends sparkling crystal style with powerful, quiet airflow to keep your room comfortable year-round. Retractable blades stay hidden when not in use, leaving a clean lighting centerpiece overhead. Adjustable brightness, color temperature, and multiple wind speeds let you create the perfect mood in seconds. Control everything from a remote or app without leaving your seat. Bring a calm, artistic glow into the heart of your home. This elegant pendant light features handcrafted ripple glass that softly reflects light like gentle water. The adjustable hanging length lets you position it perfectly over a kitchen island, dining table, or cozy corner. Compatible with dimmable bulbs, it allows you to shift from bright clarity to relaxed ambiance in seconds. A simple installation makes this refined upgrade surprisingly easy. Some decor pieces don't just light a room, they make it feel cozy. This charming mushroom table lamp brings soft, warm glow and playful mid-century style to any nightstand or desk. The hand-blown glass shade gently diffuses light, creating a calm atmosphere that's easy on the eyes. With smooth dimming control, you can shift from bright reading light to a gentle night glow in seconds. Small, stylish, and comforting, it's perfect for relaxed evenings. Clear, even lighting can completely change your morning routine. This sleek LED Vanity Bar delivers bright, shadow-free illumination that helps with makeup, shaving, or daily prep. Smooth dimming lets you shift from full brightness to a soft, relaxing glow whenever you like. The modern matte finish resists rust, while the acrylic cover keeps light gentle on the eyes. Install it above a mirror or vertically on the wall for a clean, polished look. Transform any room with clean, modern light. These black LED wall sconces shine both up and down, creating a soft, warm glow that's easy on your eyes. The included G9 bulbs are energy efficient and flicker-free and can be swapped for brighter options if needed. Durable aluminum keeps the fixtures sleek and long-lasting, while the minimalist design fits hallways, bedrooms, or living rooms. Quick 3-step installation makes it simple to refresh your walls instantly. Make a grand entrance every time with this sparkling crystal chandelier. Its cascading raindrop design fills high-ceiling foyers, staircases, or living rooms with brilliant light and timeless glamour. The included LED bulbs are dimmable, letting you switch from warm, cozy glow to bright, crisp illumination with a remote or app. Polished metal and K9 crystals keep it gleaming for years. Minimal assembly gets it shining in no time, turning any space into a true showpiece. Bring the moon indoors with this elegant floor lamp. The frosted globe glows softly in 3 color options, creating a calming ambiance for living rooms, bedrooms, or offices. Tap to change colors or turn it off, and recharge easily with the built-in USB port. A sturdy base keeps it safe around kids and pets, while the modern curved design adds mid-century charm. Compact yet striking, it fits neatly into corners or next to furniture for stylish lighting anywhere. Add a touch of sparkle to any room with this 3-tier crystal chandelier. The black and rose gold frame holds K9 crystals that catch light from every angle, glowing beautifully whether on or off. Dimmable with compatible bulbs, it lets you create soft, cozy lighting or bright, lively ambiance. Adjustable chain makes it perfect for high or low ceilings. Ideal for living rooms, dining areas, bedrooms, or foyers. It turns any space into a luxurious focal point. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.